The internet, you use it every day. It's how you check messages. It's how you watch videos. But have you ever stopped to think about how it all works? The internet is a web of wonders, a vast network connecting billions of computers around the world. Imagine a giant spiderweb stretching across continents and oceans. Each strand represents a connection, and every intersection is a computer sharing information. This amazing technology allows us to communicate instantly with anyone, anywhere. We can access information, share ideas, and explore the world from our fingertips. Pretty cool, right? So how are all these computers connected? Think about how you might connect with a friend across a room. You could whisper a message directly to them. This is like a direct connection using physical cables, like those thick bundles you sometimes see underground or underwater. But what about connecting with a friend far away? You could write a letter and send it through the postal service. This is similar to how the internet uses radio waves to transmit information wirelessly, bouncing signals off satellites and cell towers. These physical cables and invisible radio waves form the backbone of the internet, creating a complex and interconnected web that spans the globe. It's like building a giant puzzle, connecting all the pieces to create something truly remarkable. Now imagine you want to send a secret message to your friend. Instead of writing the whole thing on one piece of paper, you cut it into tiny pieces like a puzzle. This is how the internet sends information in small chunks called data packets. Each data packet has an address label, like an envelope. This address is called an IP address, and it tells computers where to send the data. Just like a postal worker uses an address to deliver mail, computers use IP addresses to route data packets across the internet. These data packets travel through the network, hopping from one computer to another until they reach their destination. Once all the packets arrive, they are reassembled like a puzzle, revealing the complete message. It's a bit like magic, but it's really just clever engineering. Think of the internet as a vast library full of information. Servers are like the librarians, powerful computers that store and organize all the websites, videos, and files you access online. When you click on a link, your computer sends a request to the server, asking for the specific information you want. Web browsers are like your library card. They allow you to access and view the information stored on servers. They act as interpreters, translating the code that websites are written in into the text, images, and videos you see on your screen. The internet is a constantly evolving system, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. But by understanding the basic principles of how it works, we can better appreciate its power and potential. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep connecting with the world around you.